How to comment on Instagram post with a photo. Is it possible? Yes, Instagram does currently allow users to comment on posts with a photo. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once logged in, simply find the reel you want to comment on. Once you find the post, simply tap on the comment option available there. Now once you tap on the comment, as you can see, you cannot post photo directly in the comment, but you can simply tap on the reply option available there with any person commented. And after you tap on the reply, you will be navigated to upload a photo or video according to your preferences. So once you tap on the reply, you can see photo icon available right next to it. Tap on it and you will be navigated to the photo section. Now from the gallery, browse through it and select the photo or video you want to upload. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.